Yep, die is nou die boodskap van Ismail, because this is the people that play the important role in my life. Nenke Queen, dingwe ngake, ang huruna, mensen wat me tot na aan Christus toe lei, maar net ek wil verstaan people that learn me to teach me what the Bible really is and what does it mean. First of all, my mom, Magda Koboses. Magda Koboses. That's my mom. Secondly, Nurse Jennifer Mueti. She has the ministry. She's a very, very important person. I still think about them. This can bet you for me. Jennifer Mueti Ministries. Jennifer Mueti. Thirdly, Pastor Stuur Kunder Swartz. Fourth, only those three people. Ek het net die drie mense op my hart. Dis die drie mense wat met my in my rol kan speel. Okay, dit is my boodskap vir vandag. Laat die Here vir julle nogmaals die wisdom, die wysheid en alles gee. Amen.